Rocky Mount, North Carolina is a city of diverse flora and fauna. However, in this video, we will specifically focus on the species surrounding North Carolina Wesleyan College and how they coexist with the community. We hope to inform students of their role in the conservation of these species. The first species that we will target is the white-tailed deer, which is normally seen in late evening in family groups that usually consist of a mother and her fawn. Male bucks are occasionally seen in groups, except during the winter mating season. The main predator of deer in the area is the red fox. The diets of deer change depending on the season. During the spring and summer, their diet consists of green plants, and in the winter, they feed on acorns, nuts, and the twigs of woody plants. Deer are natural lawnmowers. They help to maintain grass levels around the college. Students can help deer by maintaining forest plots so that the deer can have access to their natural food source. Students should also use caution while driving at night. Deer are one of the most common animals involved in car accidents. High beam headlights can assist the driver in locating nearby deer. The second species that we will discuss is the gray squirrel. Squirrels can be seen throughout the entire day, scurrying across the school's grounds. The main predators of the squirrels in eastern North Carolina are birds of prey, such as the barred owl, the screech owl, and the broad-winged hawk. The diets of squirrels consist mainly of seeds and nuts, particularly acorns. Squirrels are largely beneficial in the reproduction process of many types of flora, due to the transportation and dispersal of seeds throughout the area. Squirrels and deer on college campuses have become comfortable around humans. This can have serious consequences. Animals can become dependent on humans for food, which can disrupt their natural ability to hunt for food and nourishment. Human interaction with animals can also increase the chance of unexpected attacks, which can transmit diseases like rabies. According to an article from the University of Missouri, feeding squirrels can increase a squirrel's lifespan by up to 7 years. Squirrels produce, on average, 8 young a year. Therefore, squirrel populations would skyrocket as a result of hand feeding. Pine trees are an example of a type of plant that impacts the community. In addition to trees being used for paper, medicine, and other products, trees provide oxygen, shade, and help beautify college campuses. Trees also provide a habitat for the local squirrels and birds. Pine trees are threatened by natural factors, such as invasive bugs like the southern pine beetle, as well as human factors like forest fires. Trees influenced by invasive bugs will display discoloration of their needles and bark that is covered in holes. The recommended solution for eliminating invasive beetles is to remove the infected trees immediately and to thin out clusters of trees. Students can help prevent fires by disposing of cigarettes in ashtrays rather than throwing it on the ground. Deer, squirrels, and pine trees are all interconnected. Squirrels transport seeds, which help trees to reproduce over a large area. Seed dispersal by squirrels also provides vegetation for deer. Pine trees provide habitation and protection for squirrels, and deer can eat the foliage created by the pine needles and pine cones. Because the species are so closely connected to one another, the loss of one species will drastically impact the others. Students can help support the conservation of local species by developing good practices, such as proper disposal of trash to avoid jeopardizing the habitats of animals, careful driving skills to reduce the amount of roadkill, and limited interaction with wild animals. It is important for students to be aware of their impact on the environment and to inform other students of how they can play a role in conservation. This feature presentation was brought to you by Aubrey Motley, Dylan Richardson, and the narrator, Daryl Hamilton. Thank you.